Hey everyone! I have some exciting news to share with you today. Party Popper. I'm thrilled to announce a $50 giveaway to 50 lucky subscribers on my channel. But there's a catch. This will happen only when we reach 1,000 subscribers. And that's not all. I have some massive special gifts lined up for a few select subscribers, which I'll reveal once we hit the 1K milestone. Rocket. To participate and stand a chance to win, all you need to do are these 3 simple steps. 1. Subscribe to the channel. 2. Like every video. 3. Comment below why you need $50 and why it's important to you. Winners will be chosen based on engagement, so make sure to like, comment, and stay active. Good luck, and let's reach 1,000 subscribers together. Raising hands. Let's start today's topic. MemeFi delays snapshot and listing. What's going on? In an unexpected move, MemeFi has pushed back its much-anticipated snapshot and token listing dates, leaving many in the community and investors feeling uneasy. What was originally scheduled to happen sooner is now set for November 15, 2024, at 12 o'clock Universal Time coordinated for the snapshot, while the token's exchange listing is delayed to November 22, 2024. This latest delay has raised eyebrows, and many are beginning to question whether the project can live up to its promises. Why the delay? The official announcement, visible on the MemeFi Airdrop checker via OKX wallet, confirms the new date for the snapshot. This gives users a 10-day window to check their eligibility for the airdrop. While the project is working with OKX wallet to make the process transparent, the delay has left some feeling frustrated and suspicious about the project's direction. This is not the first time MemeFi has had to push back key dates, and the lack of a clear explanation for the delay has only fueled doubts. Many were hoping for a smooth rollout, but with no reasons provided, the uncertainty continues to grow. Community reactions, doubts rising. As expected, the delay has sparked a variety of reactions within the community. Some are expressing concern, with comments like, "Once a scam, always a scam," circulating on social media. The recurring reschedules have led some to question whether MemeFi is truly reliable or just another project that can't meet its promises. While delays in the crypto space are common, especially when teams are refining a product, constant rescheduling without clear communication can damage trust. That's why the hashtag MemeFi has been trending with mixed reactions, showing that people are starting to lose patience. What should investors do now? For those hoping to take part in the airdrop or invest in MemeFi, it's crucial to stay on top of the latest updates. The MemeFi Airdrop checker on OKX wallet will help users track their eligibility, but given the current uncertainty, caution is advised. Until the MemeFi team offers a solid explanation for these delays, investors should be careful with their involvement in the project. MemeFi's repeated delays have left many investors questioning the project's future. While the new snapshot and listing dates give people more time to prepare, the lack of clear communication is raising red flags. For now, the community remains divided, and only time will tell whether MemeFi can rebuild trust and deliver on its promises. If you're considering participating, stay informed, stay cautious, and keep an eye out for any official updates. MemeFi airdrop season begins with Simon's Cat. Win your share of $80,000. MemeFi has officially launched its airdrop season, and it's kicking things off with a fun twist: Simon's Cat. The campaign is offering participants a chance to grab a share of a massive $80,000 prize pool just by completing some simple tasks. Whether you're a fan of the iconic Simon's Cat or just love earning crypto, this is an opportunity you won't want to miss. The airdrop season with Simon's Cat is here. MemeFi has teamed up with the Simon's Cat brand to create an exciting event where users can win $CAT tokens, the new meme coin making waves in the crypto world. With this collaboration, the Simon's Cat crypto brand enters the scene, and fans of the adorable animated cat can now get involved in crypto, earning rewards as they go. For the next 4 days, MemeFi is giving away $20,000 worth of $CAT tokens each day, with 500 lucky winners selected daily. The best part? All you need to do is complete easy tasks in the Simon's Cat Earn campaign to qualify. So far, 2 days of rewards have already been given out, but there are still 2 more days left to jump in and earn your share. If you haven't joined yet, now's the perfect time. How to get involved? Joining the airdrop is simple. To be part of the Simon's Cat airdrop, just follow these steps. Sign up for the Simon's Cat Earn tasks. Complete the tasks at the highest level to qualify for rewards. Be one of the 500 lucky winners picked each day to grab your share of $CAT tokens. It's that easy. Plus, the $CAT tokens you earn can either be used within the MemeFi ecosystem for future rewards or held onto as part of the growing MemeCoin community. Why is this airdrop special? This isn't just any regular airdrop. This is one of the biggest campaigns in MemeFi's history. The collaboration with Simon's Cat, a globally beloved brand, brings fresh excitement to the crypto space. It's a rare chance to engage with a well-known IP in the MemeCoin world while having fun completing tasks and earning tokens. But that's not all. MemeFi has hinted that even more partner airdrops are coming soon, along with exclusive MemeFi airdrops of its own. The airdrop season is just getting started, so it's the perfect time for newcomers to explore the MemeFi platform and dive into its rewards, games, and meme culture.